Did this college student get into this cop car on purpose or by accident? We're going to find out right now in this video, so let's get right into it.
Why are you in my car?
I'm just wondering if you can take me to the bar. I'm of age.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Get out of it. No! Close the door! Both of you get over here now! Both of you get over here right now. Give me your IDs. What in your mind would make you think that you should get into the back of a cop car?
I'm sorry.
Give me your ID now.
Okay, I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Give me your ID.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It's a senior bar call. I didn't mean to.
What in your mind makes you think that you should get into a cop car?
Because we wanted to ride to the next bar.
Do I look like a taxi?
No, you don't. I'm sorry. Seriously, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. I'm sorry.
48 headquarters. Can you make me a separate incident? You're clear. Both of you stand right here with him.
I'm so
Do not
sorry.
go anywhere. Stand right there with him. Do not go anywhere. So, I made a traffic stop. Basically, this lady almost hit me trying to pull out. So I walked up to her car. I had my car parked here. And as I was talking to her, that girl had the audacity to get into the back seat of my car and was sitting in the back seat of my car when I came back around this car to my car.
One of those girls?
Yeah.
Is she drunk?
She just said, so she's over 21. She's like, oh, I need you to drive me to the bar. What can I cite her with?
Criminal mischief, and she can go to jail. If she wants to sit in the car, she can take a ride.
Okay, perfect.
Criminal mischief, I'm good with that.
Okay, yeah.
You can't just sit
I literally.
and sirens
Yeah,
on?
my lights were on. I was in the middle of the stop.
I would do criminal mischief, and you could do a disorderly conduct with an M4 while dealing with. Well, I would look it up. I'll look it up real quick.
Okay, so there you go. They're going to arrest her for criminal mischief, and they're going to try to get her with disorderly conduct too. So criminal mischief is a legal term for vandalism or intentionally damaging, defacing, destroying, or tampering with someone else's property. The specifics of what constitutes criminal mischief and the severity of the charge, whether a misdemeanor or felony, vary significantly by state. So specifically, we're talking about tampering with someone else's property.
Yeah, so basically I was in a terrible position.
Yeah.
So I was standing right here trying to explain to her, hey, you either have to exit this way or this way. You can't exit this way. You almost just caused an accident when I was trying to come in here because you tried to proceed out the
Oh,
wrong way.
yeah.
And so I was trying to explain to her where she's allowed to exit at, and I pointed out that there's a very clear, do not enter right there, and I was explaining her ticket to her. And so basically I'm in a bad spot, and I couldn't see my car while I was standing here talking to her. So
Right.
I should have locked my car, definitely my fault. But
That is not your fault at all.
She definitely should have locked her cruiser because it would have prevented this whole entire thing, but still, it's not her fault. It's the girl's fault for trespassing in the police car.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I mean, at least criminal mischief for messing with our cruiser. But I'll look at that DC too, because I think it would be a DC. It's something to do with it's a DC during an emergency, but I'd have to see if it fits.
okay. And I can take her to jail for criminal mischief?
Yeah, it's an M4.
Perfect.
I believe it's an M4. Look it up real quick.
This cop has been fully triggered and she wants to arrest this girl badly, which is kind of funny actually.
I just am mind blown right
Yeah,
now.
that's crazy.
Absolutely mind blown.
I mean, you did what you had to. Yeah, it's at least an M3. I'll look it up because I feel like there's more to it when a vehicle's
I mean,
involved. So
I'm
I'd say we just put her in handcuffs and put her in the back. And,
You got it.
we can start looking at exactly what subsection of the charge.
Okay.
So,
All right. So what's your last name?
Awad.
Okay. I'm gonna hand this back to you. Okay. Go ahead and hand me your purse.
Yes. Absolutely.
Go ahead and turn around and face the car. Put your
Are
hands
you
up on the side of the
arresting
car. I sure am. Put your hands up on the car.
Step over there for me.
Wait, I'm sorry. I didn't know getting in a cop car was illegal. I had no idea.
A cop car while the lights are on,
I'm
while
sorry.
they're trying to do their official job.
I had no idea.
You think you can just get into the back of a cop car,
No.
mess with our stuff? Confused why you think that would be okay.
You wanted to ride in the back of the cop car? You will get your wish. Turn around, face that way. Up.
Both of them.
You have her phone or anything, or is this all her stuff?
That's her stuff.
Okay. You guys live on campus, or?
We were walking home and
Okay.
we live right
Doing a
around
little day drinking and drank a little too much and thought it'd be a good idea to get in my cop car, I guess. Okay.
not.
Are you gonna be okay to get home all right? Do you
I'll
want?
be fine.
Okay. We can give you a ride if you ask us and talk to us, right? Like, so because of the
No, I
situation, like
totally
if you're
But giving you a ride home is a lot different than you jumping in my car and asking for a ride to a bar.
well, my biggest concern as a supervisor is she was on a traffic stop in the performance of her duties, and now she has somebody in her car when she's trying to do her official duty. So. And then maybe you can kind of help for tomorrow or whatever, you know, like, I'm sure she's gonna be pretty upset.
I also need a new fire extinguisher when you get bored.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just lodge her on the.
Fire called you out over the radio, said that you were, PD's putting it out now.
Gave him a best effort.
So good job. All right.
I'll take her for the criminal mischief and then see if I can. If you want to look.
I'll look real quick and see
Okay.
if there's any higher charge because of what you're involved in. So.
Right.
And then we'll see. I'll just let you know. I'll look it up real quick.
Okay. All right.
So, but you can go ahead and at least get this ticket started.
Okay. I'll take her that way.
Okay.
Are you good on this
Yep.
call?
Yeah, I'm good on it.
Okay.
Yep.
Sorry, I was
You're
en
good.
route to you.
Absolutely fine.
All right.
You good?
Good.
Any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay.
I totally understand, respect.
All right. We appreciate that.
All right. Please be safe.
I guess the only question I have, I want to make sure she's okay. Are you guys heading? Where are you heading?
You will not be able to pick her up. She's going to get booked in there. I can't tell you what the bond out information is at this
Okay.
time.
Ma'am. Yeah. I just want to say I'm sorry. I don't know. I didn't mean for this to be like this. Honestly, I didn't know. I know.
I mean, you just made a really bad decision. I don't know what in your thought process made you think that you should get into the back of my car when I had my emergency lights on and asked me for a ride to a bar.
And honestly, I thought that police officers could give rides to people, and I guess I didn't know better, and I'm sorry for that, and I had no idea this was going to happen, and I apologize sincerely. I've been a good citizen, and I'm not trying to make a huge fit out of it, and I'm sorry. I had no idea.
Okay. Well, you can talk to the judge about it on Monday.
So she tries a last-ditch effort to sincerely apologize, and it's just met with you can go take it to the judge, a very cold response once again from the officer, and it looks like she's going to get charged with that criminal mischief, specifically when it comes to tampering with someone else's property. Now, I've heard the argument over and over again by many viewers saying that the police officers don't own these cars, the public owns these cars, and that's just crazy talk because although our tax dollars do pay for most of police vehicles, it doesn't mean we outright own them, okay? You got to have the title of the vehicle to own the vehicle. Like, you're not going to go take a police cruiser and go drive it into a McDonald's drive-thru and get a Happy Meal, okay? You're going to get arrested for sure, and you might even get shot for that, okay? So it's very risky, and you can risk your life, so don't ever do that. Now, let me know in the comments below, did this police officer take it too hard on her? Like, should she have, maybe given her a slap on the wrist, a warning or something? Or do you think this girl got exactly what she deserved? Let me know in the comments below.